go through the map. This is the map on Peninsular Plateau. If we are talking about the Indian Peninsula, that is, it is divided into two parts. One is the Central Highland and second is Deccan Plateau. All you know what is the meaning of the Peninsula Plateau. Peninsula means the area which is covered by sea or water body in three sides. So this area is known as peninsula. This peninsula is about for the third physical division of India. Go through your map, that is clearly vision that the part of peninsula divided by the river Narmada. This river Narmada divides the peninsula part in two ways, that is Central Highland and the Deccan Plateau. The Vindhya range, you all got the Vindhya range and the Aravalli range are northwestern side covered this plateau. The further western extension gradually it is sandy and rocky area, that is Rajasthan and the Gangetic plain. Even we found the south part of the Narmada river. We get that is known as Deccan Plateau. Western side it is covered by a large mountain range called Western Ghat. Eastern side it is also boundaried by a mountain range that is called Eastern Ghat. And when we are talking about the Western Ghat, there is no such a gap between the Western Ghat. There are few passes over there through which the public or the goods are moved here to there. But there is no gap in this Western Ghat. But when we are talking about the Eastern Ghat, you can find so many gaps in between the Eastern Ghat mountain range. Don't be confused. Eastern Ghat is mountain range and Western Ghat is also mountain range which border the Deccan Plateau. So once again I explain it. The Peninsula Plateau, the third physical division of India, is divided by two parts. Western side, northern side of the Narmada river called Central Highland and the south side of the Narmada river is called Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau bordered by the eastern side with Eastern Ghat mountain range and western side is Western Ghat mountain range. This is mountain range. This Western Ghat mountain range having not gap between the peaks or the A range. It is have some passes over there, so human being, goods and other things move here to there. But when we talking about the Eastern Ghat mountain range, there are so many gaps in between the area, and this area are we found the fertile delta. This is also known the Godavari delta, the Krishna delta, the Kaveri delta and so on. Next chapter you will read. Some important feature of the Central Highland, western side is Malwa Plateau and eastern side is Chotnagpur Plateau. Whenever it is important area, that is some Deccan Trap. Deccan Trap means the volcanic eruption makes some rocks that is called igneous rocks, and it made very valuable black soil useful for cotton. So this is also important feature of the plateau area. If we are called Chotnagpur Plateau and Malwa Plateau, then both are the storehouse. The plateau as the storehouse of mineral. Because all you know, the previous chapter, you also know, these are the part of Gondwana land. And Gondwana land is the oldest land of the world. So go through the map and do it very carefully in your copy.